Hi, I'm Nathaniel Black, and this is my MIT Maker portfolio. I was first introduced to the world of CAD and 3D printing at 10 years old when I started making custom fidget spinners for my friends' birthdays. I fell in love with CAD's endless potential, making replicas of ancient locks and cannons for class history projects. Then, at 13 years old, I built an electric go-kart from scratch. I designed the chassis in Fusion 360, then welded it out of steel square tubing. Next is an XY plotter that I made at 14 years old, which I'm now repurposing into a large format 3D printer with a build area of about 450 by 420 millimeters. I've learned firsthand about many print failure cases, including under extrusion, warping, and layer shifting, and how to fine tune the printer to address each one. For as long as I can remember, I've been obsessed with robot arms. Over the years, I designed countless versions in CAD and built various prototypes, including this 5-axis robotic arm that can stack Lego cubes. My most ambitious version so far, though, is a 30 kilogram 6-axis robotic arm which I CNC machined from aluminum. The CAD for this took me at least 100 hours, and the main assembly has over 700 separate components. Because the arm reaches nearly 3 feet, I optimized its weight distribution with a coaxial shaft-in-shaft assembly for joints 4 and 5 and a counterweighted design for the shoulder joint. It also features my DIY cycloidal drive with a 25:1 reduction ratio, which is so satisfying to see in motion. On the control side, I moved beyond Arduinos and Raspberry Pis to begin working with STM32 microcontrollers, quadrature encoders, and industrial motor drivers to build a more robust motion control architecture. Although the ARM is still a work in progress, I've already learned so much about embedded electronics and the importance of design for manufacturing. Each obstacle that forces me out of my comfort zone has only made me more curious, more capable, and more motivated to keep building. These challenges are what I hope to keep pursuing at MIT.